Hey guys, welcome to our new video series where we're building a small dividend account together. The rules are very simple. We can only deposit $50 every other pay period, and that's simulating only having $50 left over from our paycheck to invest. I want to show you that if you only have $50 or any amount of money, you can make a serious impact on your future and you can start generating and growing your wealth. We're 5 pay periods into this account already, so let's dive into the holdings we've got. The first stock I bought over here on the right is SPHD. So this is an ETF that pays monthly. And we've gotten our first month's dividend. It was 29 cents, which is for the 2 shares. It was just a hair under 15 cents a share. And it bought a fraction of SPHD. So as we add more shares, that dividend is going to grow. And as we grow that dividend, it's going to keep reinvesting back into SPHD. What is that going to do? Well, that's going to kickstart the snowball effect. And the snowball effect is going to make it grow and grow and grow every single month to the point where just the dividend is going to start growing our income every single month. So our total monthly income is going to grow every month without us having to work at all. While we sleep, our income is going to be growing. And that is the importance of investing now and investing what you can. Main Street Capital was the second purchase in this account. We've also already been paid by Main Street Capital. We now own a nice little fraction of a share. And as we buy more of Main Street Capital, that dividend every month is going to start growing and growing and growing. We're also up almost 7% on this stock, which we only own a single share right now, so that only equates to about $2. But in this market, I'll take it. In any green, I'm very, very welcome to right now. The one I'm most excited about is ticker symbol O. Why am I most excited about Realty Income? Well, if you don't know about this company already, put this one on your watch list. They have increased their dividend payment every single quarter for years on end. I don't know about you. I don't know about your situation. But I bet you don't have a job that gives you a raise every single quarter. That's 4 times a year. They also pay a dividend every single month. So every single month, that dividend is going to compound and grow and grow. We only have 1 share now, but I really want to buy more shares of Realty Income because I'm very, very excited about this stock in particular. Another one we own is KBWY, which is a REIT ETF. This one pays a high dividend of just under 9%. I'm not going to be reinvesting this dividend back into KBWY. I'm going to be using that dividend to buy other stocks that have more growth potential and lower dividends. But we're going to use what's called a funnel. So we're going to buy some shares of KBWY, use that high income generation to amplify how much we can buy. So our dividend yield will be a little bit higher. We'll be able to buy more equity in long-term holdings that are going to grow and grow and grow their dividend. So I'm very excited to see where this one goes and add some shares to it and use that to just perpetually just keep making money and generate income. Another holding is PFLT. This is the stock that we bought yesterday. If you follow me on TikTok, you saw this. So we bought this yesterday. This is another one where the dividend is just going to keep going back into our account. It's another monthly payer. They pay just shy of 10 cents a month. So for the cheap price of just only $12, you can increase your income forever by 10 cents a month. And if that's not a big deal to you, I don't know what will be. This is very exciting to me. I'm going to be getting some more shares of PFLT to get that income a little bit higher so we can start putting that into other things like Realty or SPHD. Now, what dividends have we been paid so far? Well, I'm going to be tracking it over time for you guys. In 2022, we started this account in November. We made 15 cents in dividends. So it wasn't very much. This is when we just started the account. So not much to show in November, but this is a starting point for us. In December, we more than doubled the amount of dividends we got to 39 cents. So still not quite impressive yet, right guys? January is going to be the first month where we have the potential to earn over $1. And in the next couple weeks, I'll put up another video showing you the dividends we earned in January once all of those come in and they're settled and they reinvest in the account. Where do you think we're going to be in June, guys? If we're already growing the account and it's already going well, 6 months from now, where do you think we're going to be? December of this year, where do you think we're going to be? You might have $50 extra every month, or $100 every month. You might have $250 every month. You might have $2,000 every month. I just want to encourage people to start investing and show them that even with a small amount of money, you can start growing your monthly income just like I am. Now, what's the point of the snowball effect? Why does it matter that we reinvest these dividends and we keep growing our income? Well, let's take a look at a drip calendar or a drip chart. So what is this going to show? So in 2012, the first year I was able to invest, this is when I graduated high school, I turned 18. I was making pizzas for $8 an hour. I was on top of the world. I was making all the money I thought I could ever make. Boy, was I wrong. So going to 2023, if we had $10,000 invested in O Realty, which is this stock right here, the one that I showed you that I'm most excited about, they increase every single quarter, they pay you monthly, you're reinvesting that. So let's see the chart with $10,000 when I graduate. So in that 11 years, if you reinvested the dividends, you would have $32,271.22. If you didn't reinvest the dividends and you relied solely on the growth of that $10,000, you would still have a significant amount at $27,576.27. Now, the magic of dividend reinvestment is right here. The starting shares, we had 296. The ending shares were 486. Because we invested and reinvested, we were able to acquire almost 200 extra shares over the last 11 years. That's a lot of equity, that's a lot of income. Now, in the example below, you would only own those same 296 shares. But all the while, you would have been getting that income, which would have been very, very sweet. So the goal of our account is to grow that income over time and have a compounding effect like this, using the income to grow the portfolio, grow the income potential. Because at the end, the whole point is to have an income where we won't need our job anymore. And putting time in the market and putting what you can in is very important. Because not only did it go from $33 to $66, you got paid a dividend every single month along the way. And when you retire, that monthly dividend is going to be sweet. That's going to be what pays your mortgage. That's going to be what pays your food bill. That's going to pay everything. So as we build this account together, guys, it's important that we remember the compounding effect of dividends and we reinvest those dividends faithfully. I'm really excited to show you how January went in the next video. So I hope you like, subscribe, and comment below. And I'll see you guys in that next video. Catch you later.